Oh, they don't like that bee, do they?
No, that's why I was...
Uh-huh. That's funny.
I saw them doing something, so I figured I'd try and...
They all seem to be coordinated. Those bees are like, okay, we don't like you. See, the problem with this is the hole's way up here.
Uh-huh.
It needs to be down low where they can just walk in. All the way over here, Patrick, look at that.
Yeah.
They're just tired of flying. All the way down there, look at that. The whole hillside is covered in bees. Huh, be fun to find the queen right there. Pick her up and got her.
Yeah, because you need them.
I know. Oh, yippee! One more hive to, do something with. Fill another $500 set of boxes with.
I had to order supers.
You see those pollen baskets back here?
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Be cool just to have the queen on your hand. You'd be like, oh, there she is. Whoop. Drop them in my boot. I didn't ever see the queen's thorax to see if she had a blue dot or not.
I didn't notice one, but she, like I said, she was kind of crawling on the bottom.
I just kind of saw maybe her back underside, her abdomen, so I was like, oh, I can't really tell. You knock them on something. Yeah, this will work. Oh, she just dove. I thought I had a good wing position on her too, but she dove down in there. Can't really pull them out. There's sticks in there.
There she is.
Yep. Darn it. Oh, got her. All right. You filming?
Yep.
Oh, that's cool. Well, no mark on her. Well, I guess what color should I mark her? Oh,
yeah.
I had a good double leg on her. I guess I didn't. Boy. Well, I guess I just ought to cage her. Put her in a cage. Wow, she's the hardest queen I've ever had to capture before. Yep, let's cage her. Put her in a cage. I don't think I got a cage on me. That's a huge white dot. If I can get some of it off. A Q-tip.
I say wipe it on my jacket if you want.
I got a little bit on the back of the head, nothing on the eyeballs, so that's pretty good. All right, let's get a queen cage. Her leg where she needs to walk. And she is flyable. Trying not to do anything to jeopardize her abdomen. There she goes. All right. Huh. I got her in there with a white dot on her. Not exactly. I like it to be up out of the way, but I don't want to cut it off.
Mm-hmm.
That might work. Get all these dead people out of here. We could put it by like that for a minute. So one of the ways that we would have to do it is trying to stand on this berm. So if I could get some bees in there, I can generate Nasinoff odor. Oh, I got a few in there. All right. Oh, that'd be a nice one to shake in there. Yeah, there we go. All right. Now the queen's in there. They all know it. We'll close the lid like this a little bit. Perfect. They will go in there now, Patrick. Good. Because there's enough bees in there to know she's there. And they'll light up the Nasinoff pheromones. And they'll start walking in there. I want to see what the entrance looks like. Yeah, it's going to take them a minute, but they'll do it. Yep, they'll do it. It's going to be hot on them though, isn't it? All right. And so that location there will be prime target for the next swarm. That's where they'll land next time. It's got too many dead nurse bees in the bottom. I want to kind of clean this cage up and put new nurse bees in there. Take out the dead queens. See what we got. Sponge is still wet from when it rained. There you go. All right, we got some queens. This one's good. Okay, here's one that we marked. She's good. Leave her cork in there. Let's see how this one's doing. She's eating and moving, so she's good. All right. That one's active. Moving. I should give some of these away on the live stream, Patrick.
There you go.
You need any queens?
I might in a month.
Oh. I'll try to bank these for a month.
No, I don't need any now, but...
Oh, look, I caged the queen the other day from a swarm, and I put attendants in. The attendants are still alive.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Good. Not good. Got a little too wet on a rainy day. This one's good. Very active. Oof. I didn't stack these in there the best way. All right. This one's good. She's moving around good. Okay. Let's make that different. Turn them like that, where they're opposite of each other. Okay.
You call this a battery box?
Yeah. A queen battery box. Yep. This one's good. I see her moving, walking around. Get all the bees off. Okay. Wow. I can't believe they survived that rainstorm so bad. They were just so Torpor. All right. Oh, this one has attendants in it too. That's cool. 2 more. Let's see if they're okay. Yep, that one's good. Very active. 1 more. Okay. This one, I made notes here on this
I see
case.
that.
It says, see if you can figure out what it says.
Swarm 513?
Exactly.
Or 5-3?
5-3, yep. So I caught a swarm and got the queen out of there. And I used the bees as a mating nuke. Starter hive.
Oh, there you go.
All right. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13. Is that everybody? All right, now we got to get some bees, Patrick. Let's go over here. I'll show you what I'm going to do.
You want the smoker?
Nah.
Can you just lay it in there for a while and come get it later?
Nah.
That wouldn't work?
Nah. Not really. Let's just try to pull some out and try to just get them in there, I guess.
You want me to hold something?
No, you're good. Oh yeah, that'll work good. That's good. All right. Yep, I don't see anything. So what I'm going to do is just let this stay open in the shade. And over time, there'll be more bees on that that will just start taking care of those queens. So that's one way to handle a bunch of queens that I've captured and just got going here. So yeah, maybe I will give some of these away on my live stream.
That'd be neat.
Yeah, okay. Have you ever wondered why some beekeepers make honey, other beekeepers just keep making swarms and no honey? I made a video on how to help you guys make more honey. Check it out right over here. See you over there.